as that of the current. Okay, so I will be writing it's how much, it is equal to minus I1 plus I2 multiplied by 3. Okay, this is 2 ohm, this is 2 ohm again, and this is 1 ohm. So I have to find the value of the current. Pause the screen guys and try this question yourself. Try. Okay, I hope you have at least tried this. So let us begin solving it. Okay, so this is the direction of the current. So let me complete the path of the current. Current will go like this, then current will go like this. Okay, current will go here like this, and finally it will go here like this, here also like this, and here also like this. Okay, fine. Now we have to like in this question, will you be able to use the Kirchhoff current? Will you be able to use the direct formula? Okay, I can see that there are two cells. Okay, are these cells in parallel or they are in series? What do you think? By looking at the diagram, this looks to be parallel, but yeah, they are in series. Okay, the positive terminal is connected to the positive terminal, therefore these are in opposite fashion. Okay, you got this as well. So let us now begin solving this. Okay, so let us say that here, if you will do by normal formula, I will say it's 9 minus 3 upon the total resistance. What is the value of the total resistance? So it's 2, 1, 2 and 1, that means 6. So I will be saying 6 by 6, that is equal to 1 ampere. Okay, well 1 ampere could be the right answer, but it is not correct. Why? Because you can see that this is 3 volt battery and this is 9 volt battery. So definitely 9 volt will be winning there. Okay, and if 9 volt is winning, the current should be emitted from the positive terminal of 9 volt like this, but the current is given in opposite direction. So the correct answer should be minus 1 ampere here. Okay, and this you will find that this is automatically rectified with the help of Kirchhoff voltage law. Okay, you will be looking at this. So let us say that this is the direction of my loop. Okay, so I have taken the loop like this. So let us begin. I am beginning from here and then I will be reaching back to this. So when I begin from here, I can say that summation of potential is equal to 0. That's the way of guessing. Now what is the actual summation of change in potential? So when I go across this 2 ohm, okay, you will find that this is my path and this is the same path as that of the current. So I'll be writing minus I into R, I into 2. So when you now go from when you go across 1 ohm, you will find that you are going like this along the current. Therefore again 1 I minus of I multiplied by 1. Okay, when you reach down here, you will find that you are going across the 2 ohm resistor. Okay, and again your direction and the current direction are the same. Okay, so you will be writing minus I into 2. Now you are going from the positive terminal of 9 volt to the negative terminal of 9 volt. So 9 volt will be written here, but with a negative or a positive sign. You are going from negative to positive. Potential is dropped, minus 9. When you go across to 1 ohm resistor, so across 1 ohm resistor I am going along the direction of the current. So again minus I into 1, and finally for the 3 volt I am going from the negative terminal of 3 volt to positive terminal of 3 volt. So 3 volt will be written but with a positive sign, because I am going from lower to higher potential. Potential is gain. The sum of all this stuff is equal to 0. Okay, so let us now solve this. So I can write minus 2i minus I minus 2i minus 9 minus I plus 3 is equal to 0. Let's take this together. Minus 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 all will be added. So this is equal to minus 6i minus plus minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore 6 is equal to minus 6 is equal to 6i. Okay, I is equal to minus 1 ampere. What does minus 1 ampere mean? That the direction of the current given in this condition is not right. Let us say that the direction of current was not given in the question, it was taken by me. So I have taken the opposite direction of the current. Negative symbol means opposite direction. It should go in the opposite part. Okay. So I hope you understood this. So the right answer to this question is minus 1 ampere. I hope that's clear. Okay, perfect everyone. So I hope you understood what is the significance of Kirchhoff's law. Okay. If you have not understood it yet, okay, let's take one more question. The question says find current through the branch, find the current through the branch B. Okay, you might have saw this question beforehand. Okay, the question is given like this. This is a 30 volt. Okay, this is a 3 ohm, this is 6 ohm, and this is a 3 ohm again, and this is 30 volt. Okay, find the value of the current through the branch BD. This is the branch BD. This is A, this is C. Okay, till now I was just using the Kirchhoff voltage law. Now I will have to apply the knowledge of Kirchhoff current law and the Kirchhoff voltage law as well. Think about this question very carefully and try this. Think about this, guys. Okay. Basically, if you want, you can do this question by 2 other methods as well. I will be telling you all the 3 methods to solve this question. First, let us do with the help of Kirchhoff voltage law. Okay, so let's begin with this. So first I have to draw the direction of the current. Well, you can find here that basically there are two different cells. Two different cells means two different cells will produce two different kinds of current. Definitely yes. So the first current, let us say that this is the current I1 that is produced and this is the current I2 that has been produced. Got it? Now if these are the current, can I say here that the current I1 is going like this? Okay, here the current I2 is going like this. Finally both the currents are meeting and both the current will have to go toward BD like this, right? So this is I1 plus I2, I1 plus I2, which is going like this. Finally I1 plus I2 will reach here like this, okay, and they will again get separated. Why they will again get separated here as I1 and I2? Because if current is depicted, if current is dissipated out of the cell, it has to reach back to the cell. So if I1 has got out, it has to reach back, right? So I got that this is my circuit. Now what is the second step? The second step is take loop and equate the value. Can I make loop here? Definitely I can. So let us take that this is my first loop, loop number 1. And let us say that this is my second loop. Let us say that this is my second loop, loop number 2. Okay. So let's talk about loop 1 and I will be applying Kirchhoff voltage law here. Let's apply. So one thing is very clear that delta V is equal to 0. Okay, what is actually delta V? So I am going here like this. So this is the direction of the current and you will find that I am also going in the same direction as that of the current. So I will be writing minus I1 into 6. Okay, now will I be so when I am going here like this, I am talking about this part, right? I am not talking about that second part. So I1 into 6 is equal I1 into 6. Now what is the second part? So second part is this side, right? And in this side I am finding that there is one 3 ohm resistor. 3 ohm is in contact with both of them, so I will have to include it. So I will say I am now going again in the same direction as that of the current. Okay, so I will be writing it's how much? It is equal to minus I1 plus I2 multiplied by 3. Okay, okay, now I will be talking about the next part, which is going like this. Okay, so you will find here that finally there is nothing over there, so I have nothing, no equation to write here. Again I am going across this, so I am finding that there is a cell that is of 30 volt. Is it minus 30 or plus 30? You are going from the negative to the positive terminal, that means potential gain, that is equal to 0 here. So minus 6I1 minus 3I1 minus 3I2 plus 30 is equal to 0. The first equation. Okay, fine. Let us talk about the second loop, loop number 2. Okay, so when I will apply Kirchhoff voltage law in second loop, I can say summation of all the potential change is equal to 0. Let's check it. So this is the direction of the current here. This is the direction of the current and this is the direction of my loop. You are finding that here loop is going against the direction. So first when you are going from B to C, so you will find that when I am going from B to C, current is going against this. So I will be writing equation I2 into 3 with a positive symbol. Next you are going like this part. Okay, here you are going across the 30 volt cell and from that 30 volt you are going from the positive terminal to the negative terminal, minus 30. Okay. Next, now you are here in this part, there is nothing, so I will not write anything over there, but yeah, I found over there that there is 3 ohm resistor. So I1 plus I2 multiplied by 3. Is this positive or negative? So again you are going against the direction of current. You are going like this, right? And the current is like this, opposite to each other. So therefore I will be writing plus I1 plus of I1 plus I2 into 3. Summation of all this is equal to 0. Got it everyone? Okay, perfect. So what I find is, let me just simplify the equation. Minus 9I1 minus 3I2 plus 30 is equal to 0. Therefore, I can write that 30 is equal to how much? 9I1 plus 3I2. So 10 is equal to 3I1 plus I2. Okay, my first equation. What's my second equation? Second equation is, let's take 30 over there. So 3I2 plus 3I1 plus 3I2. This is equal to 30. So I will be writing, this is 3I1 plus 6I2 is equal to 0, is equal to 30. Solve this, so divided by 3, I1 plus 2I2 is equal to 10. This is what? This is my second equation. Okay, so these are the two equations. I have to eliminate any one of them to calculate the value of I1 and I2. Okay, so can I do 2 into 1 minus 2, right? That will be fine. So I'll be writing 3I1 plus I2 is equal to 10, multiply this whole by 20, minus of I1 plus 2I2 is equal to 10. So you will be getting 6I1 plus 2I2 is equal to 20 upon I1 plus 2I2 is equal to 10. Subtract them. So this will be 5I1. This will get cancelled, is equal to 10. What I got finally, I1 is equal to 2 ampere. Solve it for I2. You will get I2 is equal to 4 ampere. Okay. So I got the value for I1 and I2. Now what was the question asking me? The question was asking me, find the current through the branch BD. So the value of the current through the branch BD, so BD is I1 plus I2, so that is equal to 2 plus 4, that is equal to 6 ampere. So from the branch BD, I am getting 6 ampere. Okay.
Problem is not effort. It's lack of personal attention. With one-to-one mentoring, every doubt is addressed, every concept is applied, and real improvement begins.